How to buy USDT. With Google Pay, follow these simple steps to purchase Tether instantly and securely. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for USDT. Today, we will purchase on the Solana blockchain. Enter your desired amount, choose Google Pay as your payment method, and click Continue to Payment. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Why is Zengo the best place to buy USDT? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, three-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. How long does it take to buy USDT on Zengo with Google Pay? Buying USDT on Zengo with Google Pay usually takes a few minutes. The exact time may vary based on network congestion, payment processing time, and exchange partner. Zengo will notify you once the transaction is complete, and your USDT will be available in your wallet. Can you buy USDT with Google Pay without verification? Buying USDT anonymously on Zengo is not possible. Zengo works with regulated partners that require identity verification, KYC/AML, before purchasing USDT or any other cryptocurrency. Can you buy USDT with Google Pay under 18? Zengo works with purchasing partners who are regulated and compliant and follow the AML and KYC rules. You must be at least 18 years old and provide a valid ID to verify your identity and age before you can buy USDT or any other crypto assets. Is it safe to buy USDT on Zengo with Google Pay? Yes, buying USDT on Zengo with Google Pay is safe. Zengo uses a keyless wallet with biometric authentication, MPC/threshold signatures, 3FA, and a Web3 firewall to protect against hacks and scams. With over 900,000 users and strong reviews, it's considered more secure than many other wallets. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.